Hey guys, it's Miss Jones. Today's Fun Friday and Kindergarten Friday, and so we're going to be doing some higher level thinking skills. One of the activities I asked you to do the other day was draw your favorite farm animal and send me a picture. So we had 6 responses on that. So I took that information after I tallied up everything and have used that information to make a bar graph. All right, so the title of our bar graph is Our Favorite Farm Animal Bar Graph. And here we have our horse, which had 3 votes. The dog had 2 votes. And our goat and our duck each had 1 vote. So looking at this graph, we can easily see which one had the most. Can you tell your parent which farm animal had the most votes? That's right, it was the horse with 3. All right, can you tell your parent which one had the least votes? That's right, the duck and the goat are tied. They are the same. They are the same. All right. Maybe you can come up with your own question to ask members of your family. Maybe you can make your own farm animal bar graph. If you do, I would love to see it. All right. Have a great Fun Friday. Bye.